So now what we need to do is that we need to submit this article. We need to create an article. So whenever the user clicks on create, we need to create that article. So how can we do that? To do that, first of all, we need to create a URL that's going to handle this. So in the URLs here, in the URLs of the blog itself, remember this URLs. In this URLs, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add here comma, and then I'm going to create a new path here. I'm going to create a new URL, and this is going to be named create article, create article, create article, and then comma, and then views, and then the name of the function. The name of the function is going to be create article, and then comma, and then the name of the root, the name of the path. So the name of the path is going to be create article, create article. Now the next step is to create this create article function. So in the views, I'm going to create a new function here. I'm going to here create def and then create article, and as usual, it's going to take the request, and then here we need to handle this the submission of this form. So how can we do that? To do that, first of all, remember in the article form, we need to submit this form. And to submit this form, we need to add here in this form, we need to say the following. We need to say here action, we need to specify the action. So the action and the method. So the action is going to be the URL. What is the URL that's going to handle this form? The URL is the create article URL. So to do that, to assign that URL to this form, we need to say here curly braces and then percentages and then URL and then the name of the URL. So here in single quotes, I'm going to say create article. The next thing that we need to do is that we need to specify the method. So the method here is going to be post. It's very important to say post. The method must be post. We need to say curly braces and then percentages, and then we need to say CSRF underscore token. What is this? This code is gonna protect our form from attackers. So hackers will not be able to mess around with our system. This is very important. You need to add the CSRF token.